Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do loaded mugs for my craft fairs. These also make excuse me, these also make cute gifts for co-workers or family, you know, for any occasion, birthday or whatever. But I think the secret to making a nice, cute mug is to have it full, and not only that, but make it so that the things poke up instead of sink down inside, because you want to be able to see everything. So start with, take your mug. I get a lot of my mugs at TJ Maxx or Home Goods. So take your mug, and what I do is I get some paper towels and I just wad them up in a knot, and I put those in the bottom because that's going to be what helps to elevate everything, okay? And then I always start with my hot cocoa mix. That goes in the very back, okay? And then I'm adding an apple cider, okay? And then look how cute these are. I got these on Amazon. Of course, they're empty when you get them. And then I found these candy corn marshmallows at Walmart. So I've loaded these with marshmallows and then put the lid on. And then I'm just gonna stick that down inside like that, okay? Then I found these tags on Etsy, and I just, I purchased them and then cut them out, glued them on a straw, added some yarn, and then I'm going to put that right there. And then these are Bear Graham cookies. I'm going to put those right there. Kind of mush them down just a little bit. And then these are cute individually wrapped ghosts, marshmallows. And, oh gosh, you guys, I'm trying to think where I got these. It would have been Walmart or Target or Home Goods. I just don't remember. I'm so sorry. Anyway, stick that down there. And then I got some green Twixes. I thought that would be cute to add some color. And then these spoons, I just get these at Dollar Tree. Okay. And then I think it always looks cute to have some shred poking out. So I just kind of put some shred in there. And it doesn't have to look perfect. And then I always put shred in the bottom of my bag too when I tie my bag up. So let me hurry and go grab one that I've already tied in a bag so you can see. Hold on. Okay, here's one that I've already got done. I just had this cute yarn in my stash. And I hope you can see that okay, but that's what it looks like when it's all tied. And then I sell these for $12. So I hope that that shows you how I make my mugs, and I think they turn out super cute. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye for now.